Sweet Jesus. So we got our clamps on, and we got a lot of squeeze out. It's time to clean it up. This is not a perfect process or a very beautiful one, so we're going to expect it to be kind of ugly. And yeah, cobwebs come free with my clamps, you know, because I'm a rural guitar making mother fudger. And just like that, we're all cleaned up, and now it's the waiting game, which is arguably the worst game, but it's the game that we've been given, and we'll deal with it. I am going to add one more clamp right here to help seal this in a little bit more. Bye!